Friends, in this video, we are asked to expand x plus 2y all raised power of 5. So it's very simple. What we just have to do is just to recall the binomial expansion formula for all positive integers. Show that we are going to have to be summation of r equals to 0 and we are going to have n combination r, then followed by this is going to be, let me just say x raised power n minus r, then we're going to have y raised power of r. So that's just it. So now what I'm going to do is that in order for you guys to get this in and understand it very better, I'm going to take it step by step. Exactly. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to know the value of this is actually the same thing as writing x plus y all raised power n. The value of x here is actually x, y is actually 2y, and also our n is actually 5. Since we have 5, the power of this expression is actually 5, then I'm going to divide them into 5 places. The first one I'm going to extend as 1. The second term I'm going to extend as 2. Third term, fourth time, and also fifth time. I'm going to represent like this. Now, I think it starts from 0 time. Exactly, it starts from 0 time because r starts from 0. So it should be from 0 time. Now, let's start from 0 time now. We are going to have this to be what? That's n, which is 5, combination 0, right? Followed by what? This is x. What's x? This is x raised power n minus 0, then followed by y. Y is actually 2y raised power what? That's actually 0. This is for the 0th time. Exactly. I'm going to leave it like this. Then let's move to what? The first time here, which is number 1. Here I'm going to have this to what? N combination 1, which is 5 combination 1. Then x is actually, that's x is power 5 minus 1. Then y raised power what? Of 1. I'm going to leave this also like this. Then for move to this, I'm going to have 5 combination 2. Then here I'm going to have x power 5 minus 2. Then y raised power what? Of 2. I'm going to leave this exactly like this. And don't forget that it is 2y, not y. This is going to be 2y and 2y. Then follow this. I'm going to have this to be 5 combination 3. X is power what? 5 minus 3. Then here I'm having 2y all raised power what? Of 3. This is all raised power what? Of 2. Then here I'm going to have 5 combination 4. X is power what? 5 minus 4. Then here I'm going to have this to be actually 2y raised power what? Of 4. This is equal. Then I'm going to have 5 combination 5. Then which is x is power what? 5 minus 5. Then also followed by 2, that's going to be y all raised power what? Of 5, which is equal. Now I'm going to simplify this expression further. Simplifying this, I'm having 5 combination 0, and 5 combination 0 is actually what? That's 1 exactly. So now I'm going to have this to be s raised power n minus 0. What's my n? My n is 5. I'm going to have 5 minus 0, then 2y, anything raised power 0, everything is actually what? 1. Then I'm going to have this to be actually x raised power what? Of 5 only. Then now here I'm going to have 5 combination 1. 5 combination 1, that's actually 5. I'm going to have this to be 5, then multiply by x raised power what? 5 minus 1, that's going to be what? That's 4, right? Then I'm going to have 2y raised power what? Of 1. 2y raised power of 1, which I can further simplify to 2 multiplied by 5, that's going to be 10. I'm going to have x raised power of 4, then y raised power what? Of 1. Right? Then after that, I'm going to move to the second one, which is 5 combination 2. Then 5 combination 2, that's actually 10. I'm going to have this to be 10. I'm going to have this to be, that's 10. Then multiply by this 5 minus 2, that's going to be 3. I'm going to have x is power of what? Of 3. Then multiply by 2 squared, that's going to be 4. Then I'm going to have y squared. So this is actually 4 multiplied by 10, that's going to be 40. X is power of what? Of 3. Y is power of what? Of 2. That's the second one. Now let's move to the third one. The third one, 5 combination 3. 5 combination 3, that's actually 10 again. I'm going to have this to be 10 multiplied by, that's x is power of 2. Then 2 raised power of 3, that should give us 8, right? 2 raised power of 3, that's 8. Then I'm going to have this to be multiplying. This is multiplying 8 y raised power of 3, which is equal. Now 8 multiplied by 10, that's going to be 80. So here we're going to have 80 s squared, then y raised power of 3. Then let's move to the next one, 5 combination 4. 5 combination 4, that's 5 again. Then we're going to have this to be 5 multiplied by what? X power 5, that's going to be x power of what? Of 1. Then here we're going to have 2 raised power of 4. 2 raised power of 4, that's 16. Then we're going to have this to be, that's 16 y raised power of what? Of 4. Then if I further simplify this, I'm going to have this to be 5 multiplied by 16. 5 multiplied by 16, that's actually 80. Then we're going to have this to be 80 x power of 1. Then y raised power of what? Of 4. Then let's just move to the last one. 5 combination 5, that's actually 1. 5 combination 5, that's 1. This is going to be 5. Then x raised to the power 5 minus 5, that's 0. Everything here is actually 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is still 1. Then here we are having 2 raised to the power 5. 2 raised to the power 5, that's 32. Then we're going to have 32 y raised to the power of 5. That's just it. But before I go, I just have to join everything together. Since I'm having summation of each term, the first term, the zeroth term, first, second, third, and also fourth, fifth, I'm going to add them together so that I'm going to have summation of summation n, which is what? Which is 5. Then r starts from 0 to what? R starts from 0 to 5, right? So I'm going to have this to be n combination r. I'm going to have this to be equals to, let me just say summation, this is x plus 2y all raised to the power of 5. This is equals to x raised to the power of 5. Then I'm going to have plus 10 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 4, y raised to the power of 1, plus 40 x raised to the power of 3, y raised to the power of 2, plus 80 x raised to the power of what? Of 2, y raised to the power of 3, plus 80 x raised to the power of 1, y raised to the power of 4, then plus 32 y raised to the power of what? Of 5. So that's just the expansion. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please kindly like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, please. Thanks for watching.